Good morning, Izzy here with another video. This morning I'm really sad over here at the Behar home. I have bad news. Last night there was a huge windstorm over here in Golden Isles, and my hydroponic garden really suffered. I'm going to turn the camera and just show you. So what happened was, you see these two stacks. What happens is that the basil, when it starts to grow, it starts getting really heavy, top heavy, and the wind didn't make it any better. I want to show you guys. Look, see what happened here? You see how the wind is blowing? It's something awful. But anyways, I guess Mother Nature knows best. Anyways, it came and he broke that one, and he broke this one. So basically, you can see that the plant is starting to wilt. And then we have this one that seems to be okay for now. This one, you see there's a piece here that broke. I don't know if you see that. I don't like to touch it. But listen, quite honestly, I guess it's that. And I guess Mother knows best. Nature knows best, or Mother Nature knows best. So really, there's nothing that I can do about it, but just take some of the seeds, replant them, and hope that things just get better. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. So if you're doing hydroponic gardening, it's always best, they say, to put it inside. But to put it inside, to have the natural sunlight, you have to have heat lamps. And heat lamps give off a lot of heat. And well, they give off a lot of light also, but they give off a lot of heat, and they consume a lot of electricity, and that's why I don't do it. But that's it. Well, anyways, if you have any suggestions or comments, leave them down below. Have a great day. Take care. So long.